Here we take you on a quick tour of the Sulpie factory, which is in France just outside Cognac. It's a family business started in the 1950s and passed from father to son 20 years ago. The iconic design of the Evolution model is a familiar sight in the bars and campsites of Europe. The beach cabinet, red trim, metal players and cork balls make this the quintessential foosball experience. The cabinets can also be supplied in black, white or grey stains. Or if you prefer, you can have your table painted in high gloss lacquer from one of over 150 RAL colours. Here you see the Outsider, which is the entry price model. This is also made in solid beech but without the coloured trim rails. This particular model has been finished in a beautiful walnut stain. The raw materials are meticulously chosen using the finest solid beech for every single table. Using the latest CNC technology, each component is precision cut. Each piece is then hand finished by Sulpie's team of experienced craftsmen. Their in-house paint shop sprays, finishes and polishes each part. The metalwork is done by a highly skilled technician, completing the precision work on all the components by hand. The players are forged and then painted in a white base coat. They are then sprayed in any colours of your choosing. That's right, you pick the team strips yourself for no extra charge. Each table is handmade to your exact specification. The painting is then finished by hand to ensure each player is absolutely perfect. As you'd expect, there were teams of players everywhere at Sulpie's factory. When specifying your table, you'll need to let us know the colour of the shirts, shorts and socks for your players, and you can even choose the skin tones. We're incredibly proud to be the official UK vendors of the entire Sulpie range. For more details, please visit our showroom, drop us an email or give us a call.